Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about our final project for the course CSC 564 visualization. We have taken the topic of Spotify data and how there are like global music trends, in the streaming data. Uh, we'll first go through the poster that we have done for this project, and after that, Anurag is going to explain what are the plots that we have visualized and what are the insights that we are getting from the data. So if you see, first plot is a chloropleth world map which plots all the data from different countries, and we can use this to understand how streaming is being done, and like how the location of the country is affecting the streaming data. Next, we can understand things from parallel coordinate plot, like how different parameters in the song, such as loudness, key, liveliness, and all, depend on each other, and how they interact with each other to bring out characteristics of a song. Next, we go through two different plots, which are genre sunburst and top artist world cloud plots. Each of these plots contain genre data, which also contain subgenre data for each genre, and you can see like how the music from the top 50 songs is divided, and like which genre is dominating more. And in the top artist plot, we can see who are the artists who are currently streaming the most, and like who are like being liked by the most of the people in the world. In last but not the least, we have a time series plot and a line chart that plots the top 10 songs in the particular time that we selected. This will help you understand how a song is performing in the top 50 chart. Like, is it going up or is it going down? Is it not still there? So these kinds of insights we can get from the these different plots that we have developed. Now Anurag will take over and will explain what kind of plots we have devised and how they interact with each other.
Hi guys, so coming to the dataset which we have used, we have selected the dataset from a Kaggle website where there are 73 countries all over the world, and for each country we are taking like top 50 songs per day, and we have collected the data from October 2023 to December 2023. So in this data we have filtered the data which are containing some missing rows and columns, and then we had to use a other data set, like a subset of data set where we are they where there is a column for genre and subgenre. So using that, we trained a machine learning model and use that machine learning model to fill the columns and gaps in our main data set. So we use this model to fill the columns of genre and subgenre in the main data set. And coming to this dashboard of Spotify Pulse, there are 5 plots here. Coming to the first plot, which is top 10 songs frequency over time, which is like a line plot where the top 10 songs worldwide are selected between the period of October to December in last year, and we are selecting the top songs per day in all the countries like worldwide which are famous, and we are plotting them here. As you can see, the y-axis is the frequency of the song, how many countries are being like how many countries the top song is present, and the x-axis is the date, on which date the song is present, and you have the legend where you can see like the song name and everything. So the interactions here is like you can move the mouse over all of the lines here, and you can see like the main selected one gets highlighted and all the other songs behind are blurred. So if there is also interaction of on click, so you can just click a particular song. For example, this orange color line is like Cruel Summer song. So based on this, other plots get changed. And if you click anywhere else in the plot, so like everything comes back to normal and it resets. We also have a timeline here which we can use to drag here. So we can change the timeline, like the starting and end dates, and based on this the plots varies. And you also have the option to drag here to any of the particular dates. And coming to this second plot, which is the chloropleth world map, where you can see the intensities of the colors. The low one is 0.00, and the highest is 29.11. uh, and you can see here like the United States and Canada have the highest number of songs. So you can see like the top 50 songs worldwide uh, are like mostly played from United States and Canada, and even Australia, because those are the highest, like dark colored here, which is present from the legend here. And there are few countries which are blurred out, you can't see them because there are not many songs being played here, or otherwise that like the data is not being collected in these countries, but whatever the countries are highlighted, the data is being collected from them. And if you hover on them, you can see like the number of songs. And the other interaction which is present in this map is like if you have like on click, if you click the like the specific country is selected and is turned into red color. And based on this, other plots such as genre and top artist change. And if you click anywhere else in the graph, it resets. Coming to the third plot, which is the parallel coordinate plot, this is very important because it has like columns such as danceability, energy, key, loudness, and other variables. So these are very much important in songs, as this defines how the songs are present and like have a huge effect. So this is a PCP plot, and I have added the filters such as like a brush filter. So you can select particular range from the starting and ending in each of these columns. You can add multiple brush filters, and all the points which are all the lines which are passing through these brush filters, like you can like filter them out. And you also have option to like move these columns here and axis here and there. So these are very much useful feature, and based on this you can change if required. And now Suhas will continue.
Yeah, so let's go to the other plots as well. As Anurag said, there are two other plots that is here. Let's just first, you know, take out these filters. Um, okay. So like now we can see it come back to normal. Um, so now when it comes to the genre sunburst and top artist plots, let's first go through the genre sunburst. Here we have taken the top 5 genres that are popular all around the world, and we have plotted them, and you can see subgenres within each genre. So this is a sunburst graph, and it has two interactions. So if you go on and click on any genre, let's say you click on pop, the sunburst will lower its level, and then you can see only the subgenres of that pop genre. And then accordingly the PCB plot as well has changed. And then when you click on the center, you can go back again, and the PCB plot will come back to normal. You can do this for any of the genres, and you can see how they have subdivided into subgenres. And other interaction is that when you click on any country, let's say you click on India, and you can see that trance genre is very popular in India. And if you take any other, like let's say you can take Saudi Arabia. Here like pop is prevalent, but you can see all other genres are like divided in a similar range. So because of these different interactions, you can understand like what kind of music is at the top in all the different countries, and how the other genres are divided. And then similarly you can see the top artist plot as well, which contains the artist names of the those who are uh, performing consistently in different countries. So let's say you select one country, which is India. So you can see all the Indian artists that are like at the top, and like within that particular time frame. And let's say you want to change the time frame and like play around. Let's say you take it till November 26th. So it accordingly, the other things also changes. And then you select the, let's say you want to see who is very popular in Sweden. So you can see these guys are popular in Sweden. Taylor Swift is popular in Sweden, and Van is popular in Sweden. So similar to this, you can play around. You can change the time frame. You can again select a different different country and all. And there is also a feature where you can just select this. Let's say you want to see where Monaco is popular. So Monaco is orange. So let's go to orange. Orange. Okay. Okay. Let's see for 7. So you can see that the legend has changed, and you can see that Monaco has started in top 50 in Canada 0.3 times, and in Paraguay 0.3 times, and it is starting in like Saudi Arabia and Kazakhstan like in one time. So like you can see that wherever this 7 song is popular, you can see that data, and this is how you can get insights from the chart. Uh, you can play around and see what kind of insights you can get, and you can even play around with parallel coordinate plot and see like how different genres are affected by different liveliness. Let's say you take pop. So pop song has more of a like, it is more upbeat in energy, more in danceability, and like it's like more in tempo and all. So these kinds of insights you can get from this data, which is very helpful as music industry is very competitive, and it's also a very big business. So these kinds of insights and analysis can help you understand, like if you are trying to promote a artist or trying to promote a particular band, so you can understand how they are like how they are with respect to different artists, and in what countries they can achieve more success. So this dashboard will help you understand the basics of those kinds of insights. Yeah, I think that's it from our side. Thank you very much.